Want to earn money while you sleep? Thanks to AI, that's no longer just a dream, it's reality. Today, I'm going to show you 10 powerful ways you can use AI to make extra money. I'll show you what platforms you can use so you'll know exactly where to start. Let's dive in. Number one, of course, is using AI to generate images and videos from Microstock sites. I've covered it already in quite a few videos on this channel, so be sure to check them out. Platforms like Adobe Stock allow you to upload AI-generated illustrations and short video clips. Every time someone downloads your work, you get paid. Over time, a large portfolio can bring in consistent monthly income. Focus on high-demand categories like business concepts, lifestyle imagery, and trends that are in the news. And again, check out my other videos to see how I identify more top-selling niches and which ones have worked best for me. Number two, use those same AI tools to sell directly to customers on Fiverr. Midjourney, Stable Diffusion, or DALL-E can help you quickly produce unique digital art, logos, and social media graphics tailored to client needs. On marketplaces such as Fiverr, you can offer services like custom illustrations, product mockups, or branded visuals without needing advanced design skills. By combining AI-generated outputs with light editing and tools like Photoshop or Canva, you can deliver polished, professional content. This approach allows you to scale their offerings, attract more customers, and build passive income streams through repeat orders and bundle design packages. Number three, AI-written ebooks and self-publishing. Tools like Jasper, Pseudowrite, or ChatGPT can help you draft ebooks quickly. Publish them on Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing or Smashwords. Once uploaded, sales can continue for years with little maintenance. Combine AI drafting with your own editing to ensure originality and polish. Number four, AI-powered print-on-demand designs. Use platforms like Midjourney or Canva AI features to generate unique designs. Upload them to Redbubble, Teespring, or Merch by Amazon. Every time someone buys a shirt, mug, or poster with your design, you earn a cut. Seasonal and trending designs often perform best. Number five, AI-driven blogging and newsletters. Use AI writing assistants like Copy.AI or WriteSonic to generate SEO-optimized blog posts. Host your blog on WordPress or Medium and monetize with Google AdSense, affiliate links, or sponsored posts. Or you can take this content and build a newsletter on platforms like Beehiiv or Substack, which let you monetize through subscriptions or sponsorships. What topics have the most earning potential? Consider the always popular niches of finance, health and fitness, and technology to keep traffic flowing long-term. Number six, AI-created online courses. Tools like Synthesia can generate video lectures with AI avatars, while ChatGPT can help script lessons. Upload courses to Udemy, Skillshare, or Coursera. Students enroll continuously, generating revenue without extra effort. If you need ideas on what topics you could focus on, practical skills like coding, marketing, or productivity hacks are always popular. Number seven, AI-generated social media content packs. Tools like Canva AI, Jasper, or Copy.AI can create templates, captions, and graphics for Instagram, TikTok, or LinkedIn. Sell these as downloadable packs on Etsy or Gumroad. Bundle content by theme, fitness, travel, or business motivation, and creators will love them. Number eight, AI-driven dropshipping optimization. Of course, this works best if you have social channels with the following. If so, create your own store and use AI tools like Oberlo with Shopify or AI analytics plugins to predict trending products you could sell and optimize the pricing. Automate your store and let AI handle much of the heavy lifting. Passive income comes from consistent online sales. Number nine, AI-generated resumes and templates. Use Canva AI or ChatGPT to create professional resume templates, cover letters, or business documents. Sell them on Etsy or Creative Market. Job seekers are always looking for polished templates. And number 10, use AI tools to become a virtual personal assistant by automating routine tasks like scheduling, email management, research, and reminders. You can support clients around the world. It doesn't matter where you are. Check out platforms such as Genfuse AI, Lindy, and Krisp AI, which you can use to design and streamline workflows, making it easier to manage clients' calendars, communications, and productivity needs. You can offer these virtual assistant services on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or directly to businesses, positioning yourself as a tech-savvy personal assistant who leverages AI to deliver faster, more efficient support. There you have it, 10 ways to turn AI into your passive income partner. From stock images to ebooks to virtual assistant services, the opportunities are endless. Future videos here will go more in depth on these and many more ideas, so be sure to subscribe.